Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking to separate your pages in Google Docs at the space that you want to separate them, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get straight in. At this stage, you will be in your Google Docs, and you can see over here, as we're scrolling down, the page break is actually in this weirdly random place, in the middle of a sentence, in the middle of a paragraph, and we don't want that. So what we want to do is we actually want to break it just underneath this first section. So instead of hitting the enter key until you get it there, what we're going to go ahead and do, and we're going to do it properly, right? Once it's sort of there, what we're going to do is we're going to click and have our cursor where we want to have the page break. Then we're going to go up into our menu. On the left hand side you will see insert, and as you travel down you'll see break. And quite simply, you can see here that you can tap on page break. Alternatively, you can hold in control and hit enter, and this will literally break the page right over there. You can see now that it is just spaced differently so that you can actually have that content in that page. You can go ahead again and do the same right over here. We're going to use the control enter command, and there we go. It's broken that into an additional page as well. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. See you next time.